In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your YouTube TV account to keep it organized and ensure a smooth streaming experience. Managing your account is simple and can be done directly through the YouTube TV app or website. To get started, log into your account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, select Settings to access various management options. Under the Membership section, you can update your subscription, view billing details, or cancel your plan if needed. If you want to change your payment method, go to the Billing section and edit your information to ensure uninterrupted service. You can also manage user profiles by selecting Manage Members under Settings. Here, you can add or remove users, allowing up to 6 people in your household to have personalized profiles with their own DVR libraries and recommendations. For device management, check the Account section to see which devices are signed in and remove any that are no longer in use. Finally, adjust your home area or location settings if you've moved or need to update your local channels. Regularly managing your account helps keep it secure and tailored to your needs. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to manage your YouTube TV account, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.